Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackHere.com. I can't believe I'm about to say this, but today we're going to do a video review on the all-new, yes, it's like a Christmas miracle, a new product in the year 2022. The RST Sabre Moto short riding shoes. Okay, like I said, new products right now, man, they are few and far between. When I went to get Lucas from his office, he was pretty shocked when I said, dude, we're going to do a review on a brand new product. These are a nice pair of short riding boots from our good friends at RST. We currently have these on the site for $109.99. Excellent value. Please remember, we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Let's jump into sizing. That's one of the areas with footwear, gloves, that can really help you guys out. I wear a size 12 US. I would say my feet probably lean just a little bit to the wide side. I tried on and wore in the office a size 46 Euro in the Sabre Moto shoes, and I got a good, comfortable fit, right? They were easy to put on, easy to take off. They felt nice and secure. They were comfortable to walk in, and they articulated very well. I'm sure they're going to be an excellent shoe to ride in. Before we talk about the features and benefits, I've reviewed a lot of shoes over the years, and I got to tell you, one of the things that I see that almost every brand gets wrong is the length of the laces, okay? And the first thing I noticed when I went to put these bad boys on is that, and you can kind of see it right now, okay? These are a little uneven right now, but whatever, you can sort that out. They're not overly long up here. So what does that mean to you, the rider? Well, what it means is, once you lace these bad boys up, you got them pulled up, and you go ahead and get them all laced up, you're not going to have this tremendous amount of excess hanging out, right? That horrible job I just did. It's harder to tie a shoe when you're not wearing it than it is when you're wearing it. But the bottom line is, once you have this on, right, and everything's all filled out here in the ankle area, you don't have these laces hanging all over. You don't have to tuck them into the shoe. So I would say, excellent job there, RST. Another thing I think they did really well was notice the cutout back here for the Achilles area. This allows this shoe, you're able to just flex your ankle with almost no restriction. They brought it up higher on the sides to ensure that you still have the protection from impact and abrasion in the areas where you need it. We've got a reinforced toe box, reinforced heel. There are some armor pucks that are in between the layers here on both sides of the ankle to protect from impact as well as abrasion. We've got a little Velcro strap here at the top. The Velcro feels really nice to kind of dial in the fit up here at the top. There's a little pull strap back here. You can easily get your finger in, pull that up to help get the shoe on, and of course slide it off. You've got like a TPR. This is a faux toe slider. It's not replaceable. It's going to offer a little abrasion resistance in that area as well. Microfiber upper. There is some localized perforation here on the inside, but it's a short shoe, and short shoes typically don't really get all that warm. One of the keys with any Moto footwear, Moto-specific footwear, is going to be the sole, right? With a Moto shoe, I can't collapse that, okay? You want to have that reinforced sole. If you don't have that and you have a crash, and let's say that your foot's on the ground like this and the bike lands on your foot, it crushes your foot in a way that you never want to have your foot crushed. That's why you should never ride a motorcycle with like tennis shoes or, work boots that aren't reinforced, because you take that risk. If you have a fall or even just a little one and that bike lands on you in a weird way, could really destroy your foot. Of course, that reinforcement holds true from front to back. It is designed so that it can flex while walking, but it still does give you that crush resistance from front to back. Some nice details here from RST. The quality looks really good on these. I like what they did here with the loops for the laces. Those are all like a heavier textile fabric stitched in. We've had a really good experience with all the RST stuff that we've offered here. We're the only ones currently offering it at this point at the retail level in the United States. So all the warranty stuff ends up going right through us, and I can tell you, It's very few, right? Well under 1% with all the products and the value that these things deliver. I mean, $109 for this shoe. And when you get this in your hand and you look at it and you compare this to some of the really big names out there, I got to tell you, you're really starting to split hairs while saving a ton of money. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of this video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I just realized sizing. Let me hit this one more time. I wear a size 12 US. My feet a little to the wide side. 46 Euro fit me great. The width on these, and I do like to touch on that with all these videos, the width on these, I'm going to say it just lands right in the middle, okay? They're not overly narrow like you get some of the Euro brands, like the CD brand is famously a little more narrow in the toe box area, right? Alpine Stars, you know, a little wider or neutral like these are. I would say the width of these is probably very similar to what we see with a lot of the Alpine Stars products. Once again, you have a question, you leave it here. I'm always here to help make sure you choose the right gear for your next ride.